In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these chemistry problems under covalent bonding. So guys, we have 20 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, the bonding pair of electrons in a hydrogen chloride molecule is pulled towards the chlorine atom because chlorine is more electronegative. Chlorine has a larger atomic mass. Chlorine has a larger atomic size. There is no bonding orbitals within the hydrogen atom. So right answer is option A. Chlorine is more electronegative. Very important, guys. That's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says the gases produced when this compound was melted was heated we have this nitrogen 2 oxide and nitrogen 4 oxide. This one nitrogen 4 oxide and dinitrogen 4 oxide. We have oxygen gas and nitrogen 2 oxide, oxygen gas and nitrogen 4 oxide. So the right answer is option D. The next replay question will be this one. It says an element Z has a combining power of 3. Which of the following formula is correct of its compound? So the correct one here will be option D. This is aluminium oxide. So an element with combining power of 3 is typically aluminium. So this will be the chemical symbol, the compound, the symbol which we have when they react, when aluminium reacts with oxygen. Okay, option D. The next question will be this one. It says the number of shared pair of electrons in the compound below is. So the right answer here is option C, 6. Alright, take note of this question, guys. The next question will be this one. It says element X with electronic configuration, so this is magnesium, and element Y with electronic configuration, this is chlorine. 17 atomic number are likely to combine by, so since it's magnesium and chlorine, so it will be electrovalent bonding or ionic bonding, option D. Alright, electrovalent bonding involves a reaction between a metal and a non-metal. Okay, so the next question will be this one. It says a molecule of phosphorus is tetraatomic. Yes, the right answer is option A, guys. Take note of this particular question. The next question with this one. It says which of the following compound is covalent? So it's obvious. Is this methane? Alright, methane gas, option B. Next question with this one. It says, guys, just know that basically all organic compounds are covalent in nature. Alright, so the question, this one says which of the following statements is correct? Hydrogen bond is formed between a metal and a non-metal. No. Covalent bonds consist of ions. No. Ionic compounds in solution will conduct electricity. Yes, this is one of the characteristics of ionic compound, they can conduct electricity. So the right answer is option C. That's for this question. Next question with this one. It says which of the following substance increases in mass when heated in air? So it's magnesium reborn, option B. That's for this question. Take note of it as well. Next question with this one. It says which of the following pairs of elements has the greatest difference in electronegativity? We have sodium and chlorine, sodium and fluorine, sodium and bromine, sodium and iodine. So the right answer is option B, since fluorine is the most electronegative element, so it will have the greatest difference in electronegativity with sodium. Right, so the right answer is option B. That's for this question. The next question with this one. So guys, before I attend this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. So this question says, consider the following electronegative values. Which of the elements represented by the letter W, Z, will combine with hydrogen to form purely covalent compound? Alright, so the element here that will form a purely covalent compound with hydrogen will be the one that has the same electronegative value with hydrogen, which is this Y. Okay, so this element Y is having the same value with hydrogen already, 2.1, 2.1. so the right answer will be option A, Y. Okay, so that's how I can solve this kind of problem. Next question will be this one. It says the periodic property that is used to determine whether a covalent molecule is polar or not is, so it's obvious, option C, electronegativity. Very important. The next of the question with this one, it says what type of bond is indicated by the arrow in the following structure. So this is a simple question. This is dative bonding or coordinate covalent bonding. Alright, option B. That is for this question. The next of the question with this one, if you check, this is ammonium ion. We have already treated dative bonding, I think, in the series of this video. The next of the question with this one, it says the formation of a bond between hydrogen and highly electronegative atom results in real dipole polarity metallic bond, electrovalent bond. So the right answer is option B, polarity. The next of the question with this one, it says which of the following molecules has a triple bond in its structure. So this is obvious, is nitrogen gas, option C. Take note of this question, guys, very important. The next of the question with this one, it says which of the following properties of covalent bond compounds is not correct. They have low melting points, yes. Are mostly gaseous and volatile in liquids, yes. Are non-electrolytes, yes. Have high boiling point, no. So covalent compounds don't have high boiling points. The right answer is option D. The next of the question with this one, it says the molecule that has a non-polar covalent bond is, so it's obvious, option C, chlorine gas. The next of the question with this one, it says the maximum number of covalent bonds formed by nitrogen is, so is obvious, 3, option D. Last question for end this video with this one, it says which of the following can be used to predict the type of bonding in hydrochloric acid. So this is obvious, electronegativity difference. Very important, guys. So this basically can be problems involving covalent bonding for your chemistry practice with about 18 to 20 of the questions in this video. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more, make sure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know if you what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. Where you'll be getting premium information on helping to excel in your STEM exam writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the screen and below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.